Hello everyone, this is a response video to one of the commenters on my video, Rexa06. He says, nice setup, I have a PlayStation 3 Slim. My question is, the green wire of the Logitech does not work for the TV. Do you know how I could have sound? Here's the wire I was going to show you. I wrote the comment to you. I was going to show you it. Probably haven't got the comment yet because you're probably offline. Let me grab the wire for you. This is the wire right here. This is the wire that came with your speakers, right? But this one right here is you plug it into that one. I'm not going to take it out, but this is the wire right here. And the wire that goes to it is, sorry for the mess of the wires, I'm going to put wire twisters on it and organize it. But anyways, back to the video. The red and white wire right there in the back, if you can see it, right there, it has two holes in it. You put those two on. I don't know what kind of TV you have. You probably have a Westinghouse too, right? Where you put those two wires for my TV, you see that red and white wire input? You put those two in there, and you see these wires right here, right? The red and white, you plug those into the red and white, into that red and white thing over there. I'll show you how too. Hang on. There we go. These are the wires right here. I took them out for you. See that? The hole? Plug these two. You put these two. Put this white wire right here into that one, into the white input, and you put the red into that input. These wires are for the PS3, I think. Yeah, these are for the PS3. You plug these into the holes that were in the red and white wires on the other side of the end. And there it is. There, I'll show you the finished. I can squeeze in there. And that's what it looks like. I don't know where you can buy that wire. You can probably buy it at Radio Shack or Best Buy. I've also looked in Target today. And that's about it. That's what hooks up to my PS3. And I'll show you what it looks like. The sound. Because it works perfectly. And you probably watched my other video with my new Harmony remote. But I have to get the adapter for the PS3 because the PS3 system won't go on. I entered the right model number and everything. It's just the PS3 won't turn on. It'll go into the right input. But, yeah. Let's see. Because I have to use this remote to switch input until I can get the Harmony remote, but I can't get my paycheck until next week. And here's my home screen for you. Hang on. Here's my PS3 controller. I'm going to turn the light off of it. Connected. Could do like a sound test. Use one of my songs for you to show you that it works good. My playlists. Yeah, this song right here. turn it up for you.
Last night I let the party get the best of me. Waking up in the morning, 2 hoes laying next to me. Plus I heard an officer arresting me. Cold weed and cold drinks, that's the motherfucking recipe. Nigga, and we roll deep, deep, so deep. It's going down in this bitch. Concrete, we gon' party all night. No sleep, tell the owner them is all my guys. So tonight everything is on me. The drinks is on me. The bitches, the hotel, the weed is all free. Get high, me so high, we don't see the whole suite. The fly to a level where you gon' need your own key. TGOD. No driving, no sleeping. Live it up like it's the weekend. When the DJ play the right song, gon' drink, gon' party all night long. No driving, no sleeping. Live it up like it's the weekend. When the DJ play the right song, gon' drink, gon' party all night long.
It sounds really good on the system. The sound quality is nice, the bass is good, and most of all, when I play games, it has nice and great quality sound. So here's your video. You're welcome. Please comment, subscribe, comment, and like my videos, and please watch my previous videos that I just made today. Thanks for watching my videos, and stay tuned for more. Thanks. I'll add you as a friend after this. Okay? Bye.